Hey, man.
Wait! You won't believe what those assholes did!
Who?
Those guys at Top Glamour, they're fucking with me! I brought them another load of watches. They were supposed to give me 200,000 for them. Instead, they give me this hunk of shit. I don't even know how to ride this thing. I had to push it here.
Calm down. Give me the bike. I'll get you your money.
What are you gonna do?
Same thing I always do, Jackie.
Black wall, my name Brown. Get it, my G. Do what you said. A lot of people struggling to make it home. Know about spinning too. I'm living free, take the truth. Nobody wanna do. No shots at me. Growing up in the neighborhood, these no spray. Nothing seems their baby, especially in the 80s. That's when crack cocaine went crazy. I was a part of something like a starter. My fathers give fuck about solving these things. Fifth fight, let it slide. But pop, ain't nobody stopping me. My philosophy, overachieving, the best property is something like photography. Taking pictures, cause this might be.
You gonna let me in?
All right, come on in.
Nah, not this fucking guy.
What do you want?
My friend Jackie tells me you owe him some money.
You're sitting on it. And where'd you get off strong-arming me, huh? I know you're a cop.
And I know you're a snitch. You wanna see who your boys kill first?
Fuck. Kill him! Kill him!
That's it, asshole. Come on, fuckers!
Go on, me!
You're coming with me.
Come on, man, let's go! I'm gonna kill you! Regret this! My guys are gonna hunt you down and kill you!
That's enough.
Fuck you! You're not getting out of here alive! I should have left you with wood.
Stop struggling. Shut up! Inspector, I have one of your informants in the trunk of my car.
What?
Yeah, he needs to disappear right now. So either you make him disappear or I will.
Bring him over.
Look, maybe we can make a deal.
You only have yourself to blame.
Hey! Can we stop? Let me out of here! I fucking shit myself! Fucker! Hey, let me out of here, you fucker! My people are gonna cut you into pieces, you hear me? Huh? You hear me, you fucker?
Here's your guy. Hope you still want him. But I don't want this coming back to bite me in the ass.
I'll take care of it. Where he's going, he won't be in a position to tell anyone anything.
Hey, I can hear you! What the fuck are you doing out there? Open the fucking trunk, will you?
Hey, show the lady some respect.
Fish balls! I know you want fish balls!